CCIV stock prediction. Okay guys, so here we are with another CCIV video update. So, obviously I've been focusing a lot so far this week on meme stocks like AMC and BlackBerry, but it looks like CCIV is making a massive comeback. The stock was up 10% on Monday's session with a pretty high volume of 23 million shares. So it looks like volume is increasing. So I mentioned to you guys that the RSI was running pretty low, right around when the stock was like $17 or $18. So let's pull that up really quickly to take a look at that. So on stocks like these, on EV stocks, these stocks are very volatile stocks. They swing up and down quite fast. So I like to use the RSI to come up with potential buying opportunities. So as we saw here, the RSI was pretty low. That was a good chance to get in, and that was near the $15 institutional buy-in price. Now we're running hot. Okay, so we have a couple of things, a couple of key dates upcoming. So the first delivery should take place in late July, early August. We should have a ticker change coming up pretty soon as well. And hopefully people start going back to work. So the semiconductor global chip shortage it's ended. So now I think it's a great time to get in the CCIV stock, guys. Okay, my average buy-in price was $25. So I just went into the green in my position, but I only wish I had bought more shares when it was under $20. Because earlier in the year, I was much more bullish on Tesla. And man, Tesla and Elon Musk, it just seems like they're having problem after problem after problem. So now I'm kind of wondering, is Elon Musk focused enough? If Tesla focused enough on really competing in this EV space throughout the rest of the decade and not getting distracted by things like Dogecoin and all of these other things, which are basically distractions, okay, guys? So now CCIV is looking a lot more attractive to me. I've seen a lot of high price targets. I've seen $60 by the end of the year, $200 by the end of 2022. So we're going to talk a little bit more about this. So before I get really into the video, guys, please smash the thumb button and give me a subscribe if you enjoy my content. Also, if you guys are interested in using this platform I'm using here, this is Weeble's desktop platform. You can use this for free by opening a Weeble account. Just click the link in the description below. You'll also get 2 free stocks for signing up. So now I want to talk about a potential short squeeze, it looks like, going on with CCIV. So here we are in Ortex again. Okay, this is basically really good data for tracking short squeezes. I didn't really see this at first. Okay, I was just bullish on CCIV just because Lucid Motors has an amazing Lucid Air vehicle coming up. They're going to launch first delivery soon, and I thought this was like Tesla 2.0. But take a look here, guys. The short interest on CCIV is 18%. Okay, there are over 44 million shares out on loan. So there is a bit of a short squeeze potential here as well. So the shorts did end up covering a few of their shares last week, but there's still quite a few shares out on loan. So I'm going to be definitely covering this throughout the rest of the week and into next week to see if there's more potential for a short squeeze, because it looks like right now the stocks that are really moving are stocks with high short interest. So to quickly explain exactly what's happening, guys, you follow any of my videos, you probably already know, but shorts are basically people that borrow shares and sell them into the market hoping to profit from a decrease in price. But when the price of the stock goes up, they're forced to basically buy back the shares that they borrowed at a loss, and that pushes the stock much higher. So now to give you guys a realistic price target, okay, I mentioned here in some previous videos, we're still sitting at that support of around $30. Resistance at around $30. So we're really going to see, and then of course we have long-term resistance at the $60 level. Okay, so if you got, I know a lot of people, I was reading a lot of comments, a lot of you guys had bought into CCIV stock, maybe at $30, $40, $50, and you're still down. My average cost is $25. So I didn't have the best average buy-in price, but that's okay because this is a long-term hold. Usually there's so many bullish catalysts for this company, right? The ticker change, as I mentioned earlier, the first deliveries, okay? We even have a potential short squeeze here. And the fact that the interest in this stock was already over $60 before the merger's complete. So there's just so many positive things. I really think that CCIV could be one of the top stocks for the second half of 2020. I think if you're looking for a stock, in a good space, the EV space, with a lot of upside, I don't see why we can't hit at least $60 by the end of the year. It looks like, you know, we've formed a solid bottom here, and it looks like we're going to fill this gap. And once we hit $60, it's the road to 100, 200, 300, and so on and so on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please smash the like button and hit the red subscribe button to see more videos from me. So that's until next time, guys. Take care.